Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. Today we're taking a closer look at Spaceship, a platform designed to simplify investing, particularly for beginners. You can find them online at https://www.spaceship.com. Spaceship offers a streamlined approach to investing, providing pre-built portfolios that align with different risk tolerances and investment goals. This makes it easier for those new to investing to get started without needing extensive market knowledge. They handle the complexities of portfolio management, allowing you to focus on your financial objectives. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, which is accessible through both their website and mobile app. This accessibility makes it convenient to monitor your investments and make adjustments on the go. Spaceship also offers transparent fee structures, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Spaceship provides a range of investment options, including portfolios focused on specific sectors like technology or sustainability. This allows you to tailor your investments based on your interests and beliefs. They also offer resources and educational materials to help users learn more about investing and make informed decisions. While Spaceship is a good option for beginner investors, it's important to conduct your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Consider your personal financial situation and risk tolerance before choosing any investment platform. Spaceship offers tools and resources to help you assess your risk profile, so make sure to utilize them. Overall, Spaceship offers a convenient and accessible entry point into the world of investing. Their simplified approach, coupled with a user-friendly interface and educational resources, makes it a valuable tool for those looking to start or streamline their investment journey. Remember to check out their website at https://www.spaceship.com for more information.